not only to heal your health problems, but to make you a better person, to make you a better citizen, to improve your personality, to control your stress, anger, and the job related stresses, of course, which is very common. Before I explain what is healing through hands, I would like to give brief description about myself. Myself, Dr. Anup Kumar, and I have been practicing alternative system of healing for the last 14 years, and I've treated more than 10,000 patients. What is alternative system? Alternative system is alternative to the orthodox, which is presently in practice, like allopathy is orthodox, and that is which is alternative to that. Allopathy is called alternative system. Though so many researches are going on all around the world about healing through hands, but to my mind, no system is perfect. So I synthesize so many systems in one and try to develop a very, very simple technique which anybody can learn and anybody can take advantage of those techniques. Before I go further, I would like to demonstrate you something, and I would request if somebody from you, किसी को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है, कहीं भी कोई पेन है, एल्बो में, नी में, कमर में, शोल्डर में, please I invite, if somebody would like to come here, we can solve it right now in a few minutes, and again I'll teach you, I'll tell you how to solve. अपने आप भी, yes, you can come. Yeah. So I'll show you. You see it. It's very interesting. Yeah. Heel pain. So he has a heel pain. So he has a pain in the right heel. I'll show you how to heal it. Heel pain, how to heal it. So slightly better. Within 1 second, the pain is slightly better. More better. How much? So it's 20% better. Much more better. So it's more than 80% gone within 1 minute. These techniques are so simple but very effective. Heel pain, 1 minute, 80% gone. Would you like to share something? Other pain, 80% gone, sir. Approximately 80% gone. Any other case? I would love to solve the case. Yeah. Thank you. Heel pain, you know it's very difficult. Medically it's very difficult to treat the heel pain. According to medical system, it's a growth of the bone.
आप एक काम करना
और
उधर
swelling in
जाना
the
आपको बस क्या करना है जहाँ जहाँ इसमें जाते हैं ना वहाँ पे यहाँ दिख सकेगा आपको ठीक है उसको मूव करना है बस ठीक है सर यहाँ पे ठीक है
1 minute.
ना वहाँ पे देख
Heel pain gone 80%. Very few sittings, 1 or 2 sittings, and 100% will go. I would love volunteers come here to show. I can show you how to solve these problems in a minute. Anybody? Yeah, please come. It will be better if it's painful condition so that you can demonstrate within seconds. Am I audible? So he has knee pain in a right knee. So we'll try to solve it. Let's see. I will explain you why does and how does it work.
तो ये टाइप करके लाया था वही है ना सारे ये
So because we are able to solve it 20% within 1 minute. We are trying to solve it more. Because knee pain. So the pain came after the accident. So we try to solve it. Pain is slightly going, but considerably it's not going. It's 10-15% less. So we have another thing that we can do. We'll put a small, either small magnet or a small seal at the pressing point. So within 5 minutes the pain will go. Would you give me? I have a small tape.
करें इधर रखो इसको कर देना जाओ
So any kind of seed you can use.
Demonstration వచ్చింది సైడ్ సైడ్
So his pain is right now 10% less, just 10% less. So we have put it the small seeds here. After 5-10 minutes, we will ask him again. Okay. Thank you. So within 1 or 2 minutes, we can solve our health problem. No need to go to the doctor. Of course, in our very good question. Very good. Generally what happens, अगर कभी भी किसी को बुखार होता है या कोई इन्फेक्शन होता है, हम एक बार कोई दवाई देते हैं, पैरासीटामोल, एंटीपायरेटिक दे दी, तो एक गोली में जनरली जाता नहीं है। चला जाता है क्या? नहीं जाता। तो डॉक्टर क्या कहते हैं, 8 घंटे बाद दोबारा खाइए, 8 घंटे बाद दोबारा खाइए, फिर 2 दिन 3 दिन खाने से बीमारी चली जाती है। इट्स अ स्ट्रगल बिटवीन द पैथोलॉजिकल कंडीशंस एंड द हीलिंग कंडीशंस। सो इन ए वन टाइम, इफ द प्रॉब्लम इज न्यू, इट विल गो 100%. नो रिपीटिशन इज रिक्वायर्ड. एंड इफ इट्स क्रॉनिक, it may take few sittings, few repetitions. That's why I want to teach you. That's why I want you learn, all of you. You can do it once, twice in a day, or every day in a week. If the problem comes, you solve it. And if it goes, it will go permanently. It will not come back in a life. Because you are not eating anything. You are not suppressing anything. And this is the beauty of healing, the beauty of nature. Once it's solved, it's solved. It may take few repetitions. It may take, yeah.
As you said that we are getting every day news about, and all the hospitals are full of dengue and swine flu. They think the contribution, no bedroom is vacant, no hospital, and all the doctors. They think can you throw light something, getting through dengue and you get it for dengue.
Every therapy has its merits and demerits. Everything in the world, every therapy in the world. My few initial words were that, आपने ध्यान दिया, मैंने पहले ही बोला था, to my mind, no therapy is perfect. That's why I developed something new, which is very effective, of course, and instantaneous. As far as swine flu, dengue, malaria, and other infectious diseases are concerned, these diseases are preventable. But what happens if this occurs? In that case, in those infectious cases, though of course we can help, but we will not try to solve those cases through these techniques, because sometimes the reactions in the body are so fast of these diseases, these infections, that it would be better to try something which is very, very fast, like antibiotics. In case of dengue, the platelet counts down very fast, but you can of course help in that case also, stimulating the point of spleen and liver. So the platelet counts does not fall beyond a certain limit. So there is a role of combination of therapy, combination of things. And one thing should be clear in a mind, my therapy is a complementary to the modern system. It's not against the modern system. And moreover, it's not my therapy, it's the synthesis of research of so many eminent persons all around the world, so many scientists research. So it's a complementary to the modern system. Keep it in mind. But definitely we can contribute to solve the dengue if I explain you very interesting thing. अभी कुछ दिन पहले कंजक्टिवाइटिस चला and you will surprised to know हमारे क्लिनिक में और मेरे पास आने वाले लोगों में किसी को भी कंजक्टिवाइटिस नहीं हुआ. Very simple reason. We gave them the black color dot here. I will explain you. Just putting the black dot here prevent from the conjunctivitis. Just putting the black dots on a thumb. So in case of dengue, yes, if our immunity is strong enough, our spleen is producing the good amount of platelets, so it will not go to the dangerous level. Yes, in that case we can help, but I cannot claim that we can solve dengue through healing through hands technique. Yeah.
आपका एक्सपीरियंस आपके अपने थेरेपी से आप क्या बता सकते हैं कौन कौन सा डिजीज या पर्टिकुलर केसेस जिसमें इफेक्टिव है और किसमें नहीं है?
As I told you, in infectious cases we should not try. We can complement. In those cases which are not getting any help from the allopathy system or other system, slip disc, back pain, migraine, eye problems, stomach problems, liver problems, very easily can be solved. Very easily can be solved.
Can you solve the eye problem of the number of the person also?
Yeah, yeah, definitely we can do, but it takes few sittings.
How many sittings?
It depends and it varies from person to person, but generally 15 to 20 to 25 sittings and the number goes down.
It is good or goes down?
Again, it's a different situation for different person. In children cases, generally it goes down. Goes down means you can remove the specs. But if in old ages, generally we can only reduce the number. Yeah. Any other question? Yeah. Sorry? What is that? Dermatitis. All skin problems, according to Chinese therapy, all skin problems are connected with the lungs. If there is a lung problem, then the skin problem comes. And skin becomes very sensitive to the heat because of the heat in excess of the lung. So definitely we can solve it. Pressing the lungs point, I will teach you, I will explain you what are those lung point. So you press if those lung point, if it's possible, this line. So I'll explain you, this is your hand and there is a very interesting similarity between your hand and your body. God has given a wonderful power in your hands. As you see, My hands are outside my legs. Of course, you have. So if you keep your hands like this, this is your right hand. So this becomes your right hand. Keep your hand like this. You will learn it. So keep your hand like this. Here. So this becomes your right hand. And this becomes your left hand. You see? And these two are your legs. These two are your legs. Keep your in front of body like this. Your hands have 3 joints. And magically your finger has 3 joints. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Your legs has a 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Left hand also. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The last thing. Now the question comes of the lungs. As you see, our chest is generally out. So you see your hand, this portion is generally out. There is similarity, law of similarity. You see, this portion is out. As our chest is comparatively out. So this is protruding a little bit. This portion. Can you see it? So this becomes your lungs. Can you see it? Blue color. This is your right lung, this is your left lung. This is your right lung and this is your left lung. So you press your lungs. If anybody has a lung problem, any lung problem, you press it. Yeah. You have it? So you press it. Press your lungs problem. I guarantee you, you will be fine in a few days. Press it. Wonderful.
How long you have to press it?
Generally 1 minute is enough. But sometimes it's very painful. Sometimes pain and the points are very tender. So put a small seeds, any seed, like मेथी दाना होता है घर में खाते, you keep it, और राई का दाना होता है, सरसों का दाना, उसको बिल्कुल लंग्स के ऊपर लगा दीजिए, and keep it for the whole night. हाँ, पूरा लंग को कवर कीजिए, पूरे लंग को जो आपका ये हिस्सा है निकला हुआ बाहर, this is your lung. So you do put a rye seed or any seed and keep it for the whole night. Your problem will be solved. Sometimes within 1 sitting, 1 day, you do it, and you will be surprised to see the result. Both hands? Yeah, both hands. All the points in both hands. So lung problem can be solved. Not only this. Skin problem, as we talk. Skin problem can be solved by the lungs. Tape. कि ऐसी एक टेप आप बाजार से ले लीजिए केमिस्ट से. दिस इज कॉल्ड माइक्रोपोर टेप. माइक्रोपोर ये बाजार से मिल जाती है केमिस्ट की दुकान से. इसकी खासियत ये है कि स्किन को एलर्जिक नहीं करती है, ये स्किन के लिए ठीक है. तो इसको टेप में लगा के, यू कम हियर, आई शो यू कम हियर, प्लीज कम हियर इफ यू डोंट नो. You can take any seed from your kitchen. This therapy is not only effective but it's a cost effective also. Without spending even single rupee, you can solve your problem.
Is it visible to you? So these are the lungs. This is the right lung. This is the left lung. So we try to find out the painful point. Painful point is not any painful point. Yeah, this is the painful point. Somewhere in the right lung is not getting the complete energy. So you put this.
छोटा वाला कैमरा कहाँ बिना आने के लिए मैंने फोटो भी खींच दी
कहाँ है आपके पास में? इसमें ढूंढो ना, इसमें ओके। हाँ? इसमें ढूंढो, इसमें ढूंढो। छोटा वाला कैमरा आपको दिया तो था सर ने।
बिना आने के लिए फोटोग्राफ
इसमें तो नहीं बैग में, किस बैग में तो नहीं?
बिना हल्का है बिना
नीचे
नीचे क्या कर रहा है
फोकस दे रहे हैं ना हीलिंग के ऊपर। कहाँ नीचे भी तो पता कर।
I just want to know one thing.
Yeah,
When you press it, what exactly happens in the body?
I was going to explain this thing. I was just going to explain this thing. So there is no need to press, first of all. Just touching it is enough. So our purpose is not to constantly stimulating the point, no. Everything has its own energy, including the seeds, and seeds have a natural energy. So when you put seeds on a corresponding point, these seeds gives energy to these corresponding points, and in return these corresponding points give you the health. Interestingly, there is a similarity between seeds and our organs. For example, Rajma is very similar to your kidney. Putting a Rajma seeds on a kidney point solve kidney problem. Or sometimes eating Rajma is very good for kidney. Akhrot is very similar to the brain. Is very similar to the brain. Try it. Eating akhrot for a brain problem, wonderful. Tomato. Our heart has a 4 chambers and tomato has a 4 chamber. You cut it and you'll find the 4 chamber, red 4 chambers. And all researches around the world shows that tomato is very good for the heart. There's so many similarity in the seeds and our organs.
Helmet is like your amygdala.
Sorry?
Helmet.
Yeah?
It's like the amygdala which controls the emotional part of the body.
Yeah. And figs are very good for sperm motility. Figs. And there are so many similarities. We can show you how these seeds are similar and they can solve. Like Kali Mirch is very similar to our eyes, eyeball. घरों में अभी भी होता है, वो काली मिर्च के लड्डू खिलाते हैं आंखों की रोशनी के लिए. There is a reason. So if you use these things, you will not be surprised. You will not be surprised to see the results. If you use these things, you will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will not be surprised to see the results. You will you will be surprised to see the how fast these results are coming. Because it's okay if results are coming. Of course results तो आएंगे, आप मुझे सुनने आए हैं, मैं बता रहा हूँ तो डेफिनेटली कुछ तो होगा ही. Yeah. Asthma is generally due to the diaphragm. It's a involuntary movement of the diaphragm. And of course something related to lungs. So in asthmatic problem, if somebody come, I can explain where is the diaphragm. Yeah. Pressure point, healing to hands is the logical system. What is logical system? Resemblance between body and mind. I will explain why there is a resemblance. And this is called logical system. There is a logic. Yeah. Please. There is separation of our cavity. There is separation. Above and below. Above the diaphragm, below the diaphragm. So, asthma is an involuntary movement of our diaphragm. So, you will be surprised to see there is a demarcation. This lifeline, in chemistry we call it a lifeline. This lifeline is a diaphragm. This lifeline is a diaphragm. So pressing this lifeline can solve the asthma problem.
ईमान को कैमरा तो देना चाहिए, नहीं तो इसको फोटो आना चाहिए.
तो डायफ्राम पे आप सीड्स की एक स्ट्रिप लगा सकते हैं और सीड्स आर वेरी सिंपल टू यूज एंड इजीली अवेलेबल. सो एक ऐसी सीड्स की स्ट्रिप बना के लंबी स्ट्रिप बना के आप इसको, तो मैं अभी लेफ्ट हैंड पे लगा देता हूँ सो दैट इट विल बी कन्वीनियंट फॉर यू. ठीक है, अब इसको पूरे में लगाना, जैसे मैं आपको भी यहाँ लगा रहा हूँ और वी कैन चेक इट वेयर इज द पेनफुल पॉइंट. मैं बताता हूँ, यू कैन चेक द पेनफुल पॉइंट. दिस इज पेनफुल. सो वेयर द पेनफुल पॉइंट कम्स, दैट इज द पॉइंट. सो यू कैन कीप मैक्सिमम देयर, कीप इट. इट मे टेक few days to solve the problem. No need. सीड लगा के प्रेस करने की जरूरत नहीं है, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. बस इसको हल्के से लगाना है. Seeds will give the energy. I will be happy if somebody come with a pain. We can, thank you. We can demonstrate within a seconds. Generally, we can solve so many problems, almost all the problems, but pains is easy to demonstrate. Yes, sir.
कैमरे के लिए बोल रहा हूँ सर, कैमरे का काम नहीं हो रहा है इसमें, तो नहीं रखा हुआ, देखो कहाँ रखा
नहीं दिया था
तो फिर नीचे क्या कर रहे हैं कैमरा,
मेरा नाम से
क्या है इसमें नहीं. कैमरा लेके आना नीचे, मैं लेके आऊँ कैमरा.
तुम ले गया
वही वाला सर जो सकते हैं
Okay. He's telling me the very interesting thing. He's telling me pain has gone, but he's feeling pain somewhere else. Okay. Let me check what's happened. Maybe 30 seconds or maybe 60 seconds. You see pain for the last 1 month? For the last 1 month. 1 minute. 1 minute. But okay, we can solve our problem. Because long down, it means the origin of pain is somewhere else. This pain is coming here. It's not because of the spine. The origin of the pain was spine. कभी आपको दर्द नहीं कभी पहले तो मैं तो we can solve it right now.
चीफ मार्शल नहीं है चीफ मार्शल नहीं है
आज सो गए
I had a joint pain since last 1 month, which I was undergoing treatment of physiotherapy so like. Of course, I had a 30-40% I am able to feel better. But the moment he put a pressure over, slightly transferred to my back temporarily. Now I am feeling better. Still it is there, but not that much. What I had, right, I have a bit relief.
You can press it here. Whenever this comes, if suppose it comes with this, now you this here, you just press. It will go. You can use matchstick. This will go. Okay, thank you. So, hardly 1 minute, just a minute. Now the question comes, how to press it? I have one thing, this is called probe. But you can use matchstick also, pen also. You can use your pen. No need to buy any instrument. Use the pen. Or if you suppose pen is not there, matchstick. Most of the time, pain will not come. If suppose it comes, then press once again. Press once again. Yeah, yes, sir. The left side pain. You please. Very wonderful results. You come. If somebody has a pain in cervical region, you come. Right. So C5, C6 vertebra is an accurate diagnostic thing. C5, C6 vertebra just give pain to the left side. C5, C6. So where is your pain? So we can use our pen also. No need to use anything else. We can do. Okay. So पैर का फीलिंग has gone. अच्छा सॉरी हाथ का चला गया पैर का रह गया अभी पैर का करना है तो हाथ का फीलिंग जो था इनको वो चला गया so one point touch just touch and the pain goes just touch pen, simple pen.
वैसे ये हेवी पेन नहीं था, थोड़ा पेन था मेरा भी, लेकिन इससे कम हुआ है थोड़ा सा।
अभी गया नहीं है?
नहीं कम हुआ है,
नहीं अभी खत्म नहीं हुआ।
कम ही था, मतलब पेन जो ज़्यादा नहीं था मेरा, बहुत कम था।
नहीं अगर मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ अगर खत्म नहीं हुआ तो वी कैन डू इट।
खत्म हुआ है, इधर का हुआ है, नीचे का नहीं।
पैर का एक मिनट ये लगवाइए। मैं इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ कि अगर पूरा 100% नहीं ठीक हुआ तो हाथ का 100% ठीक हुआ। सो दिस इज गुड, अनदर वंडरफुल। आइए हाँ जी सर। So, सर को नेक में पेन है। सो अभी देखते हैं। नेक पेन की बहुत सारी संभावनाएं हो सकती हैं हमारे आज के टाइम में बिकॉज ऑफ द कंप्यूटर एंड ड्राइविंग। मैं जनरली सबको बताता हूँ नेक पेन के लिए, यू लर्न इट, दिस इज वेरी इफेक्टिव। And the back of the thumb is our neck. This back of thumb is our neck. We have 7 cervical vertebrae and this C7 is the largest. We press it and this comes largest bone. This is C7. Can you see the resemblance? यहाँ तक सुनाई नहीं पड़ रहा। Okay, sorry. I thought मैं बहुत तेज बोल रहा हूँ तो ओके। सो ये C7 हमारी सर्वाइकल 7 है, C7 वर्टिब्रा है। सो C7 is the largest vertebra. If you touch your neck, you will find this is protruding C7 vertebra. In the back of your thumb, if you do this way, this is the most protruding bone. Yeah. This is C7. This is exactly the C7. And in between there are 7 vertebrae, you divide it. So if the problem comes in a C5, C6, the pains are generally come here. So if you press this point, pain will go. And permanently. So it's 25% less. One pressing and 20. We can solve it more than 50%.
It is gone now 80%.
Sir, you press it, I tell you. You will not feel cervical in life. This point, and if little bit. Both left and right can be solved with this. Even if you are not able to press, just make it like this. Press this. Anything, pencil, pen, you can use anything. And cervical will go definitely, 100% result. No case fail till now. 100% result. You do it. You will be surprised to see the result. So cervical, 100% result. Yes, sir. Knee pain. There are two cases. Sometimes if it comes because of the old age, considerable relief we can provide. And sometimes because of some injury or something, it comes in a young age, 100% result we can provide. It's because of an injury. So it's because of injury, so chances we can provide the 100%. So this is the right leg. Now you know this is the right leg. This is the right knee. Gives a little bit relief. So our purpose is to solve at least 50% relief. So pain is so high. Oh, this is very painful. You see, I'm just touching and the pain is there.
I got at least 60% relief.
You press it. Even with matchstick. With pen, you do it and this pain slowly and slowly will go. Definitely, my guarantee. Okay, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. Generally, ligament tears take a longer time than muscle tear. Muscle tear definitely solve. Ligament tear solve, but with some time. It takes some time because ligament takes some time to heal. Muscle generally get easily healed. But ligament अगर ऐसी जगह की है जिसको मूवमेंट कम मिल रही है तो बहुत जल्दी से सॉल्व हो जाती है. लेकिन डेफिनेटली इट कैन बी सॉल्व. कहाँ की किस तरफ की प्रॉब्लम है? On sorry? अच्छा नी में है. Ligament tear में it's just a ligament tear or some kind of fluid has come out.
No, it's a partial tear.
Yeah, you can come. You can come if you want to come.
Pain right now, so
There is no pain. Okay, but you can do one thing. These are your two knees. So right knee. This is your right knee. This is your right knee. You just press it. Press it daily. Daily you press it, and you see that slowly you are accelerating your healing. So that this ligament tear will solve within a few times. That's why I'm saying you just do it regularly. When the pain comes, you just press and see where is the painful point. And find the painful point and press it. You see the pain. And if it goes, you just regularly press it. cases of ligament tear, what happened? In one case of ligament tear, doctor said at least 6 weeks. We could solve it within 3 weeks. Within 3 weeks, ligament tear can be solved. But doctor said no, before 6 weeks we cannot solve. So we can hasten the recovery. Yeah, of course we have a MRI report. Of course. Why not? Sorry. 100% result, 100% result. No need to surgery. Slip disc, 100% result.
Tell the pressure points which are required to be taken care of during the slip disc as well as sciatica, or even in case of like preventive taking.
Any volunteer. Please, sir, come. I will explain on your hand.
सबको अवार्ड मिल रहा है भागे भागे
Techniques in emergency. We will talk this topic also. Sir, please go. There is one techniques in emergency. So I will explain how to control your stresses also. So back problem. This is the front of the body. So this is the back of the body. This is our neck, and from here it starts the back. Is it visible? Is it visible? Following? Yeah. So this valley, this channel between two fingers, this you go, and then there's a valley in between. You go, these two fingers, two middle fingers, and then you go, and there's a valley. This is your back. This is your back. Upper back and lower back. L4, L5 come here. Generally, this comes in the L4, L5 or L5 as well. So you press it. This any kind of back pain, we can solve it with this. Is it clear? Any doubt? No clear. Not clear. This is back. Is it clear? So, in between this lower portion, this is separate, this is lower portion, then you go up L4, L5. If somebody has a pain right now in a back, you press it and you find a solution. This is L4, L5.
1 घंटा
So, all this is the back. Or what we can do, we can keep a strip of
चलेंगे बाहर
माइक्रोफोन लगा के इसको सीट लगा दीजिए.
मैं भी तो खाना खाने नहीं गया था घर से थोड़ी आया था मतलब करने से कहीं से आ रहा था डायरेक्ट वहीं से फिर मैं ट्यूशन चला गया था तब फिर अपने फ़ोन के साथ मैं ट्यूशन में था.
Generally, disc in L4, L5, L4, L5 or L5 S1, you press it, somewhere the pain comes. L5 S1. So L5 S1 is this. You press it. 2 times in a day, 4-5 times in a day.
सारा ले लो.
Or you can keep a strip of a seat whole night. Yeah. Surprisingly, it goes back. You will not believe. But we have a documented case. So,
ये तो उधर कर ले रही सारे वो ले रही सारे
or if it's not a slip,
करो
it's simple back. Press. This way. 2-3 times in a day.
ले लो उधर कर.
Tennis elbow. Very good. Wonderful result. Somebody else. For tennis elbow, knee problem. problem generally come, elbow problem generally comes for writers and tennis players. And of course, cricket players. Sachin Tendulkar had a tennis elbow. He went to Australia for acupuncture and took acupuncture for tennis elbow. So tennis elbow, suppose it's in the right hand, so you can do it in this finger, middle joint, index finger, middle joint, tennis elbow can be solved. Is there any case? Because if you do not practically, it will not be easy to understand. You have knee problem, hand problem. So we do slightly pain in these two fingers. There is a light pain in right hand, index and middle finger, and it lasts for the 2 years, for 6 months. So how to solve finger problem? Again, you can do it. He has a very interesting thing to tell you. Please tell. He is very interesting. He is telling me the very interesting thing. Yes.
मैं अभी कर रहा था, उनके देखे देखे मैं कर रहा था तो काफ़ी जो है रिलीफ मिल रहा है।
So अभी यहाँ देखते देखते इन्होंने अपनी फिंगर के लिए करना शुरू किया and is already getting the relief. मेरे पास यहाँ आने से पहले ही वो वहाँ करते 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 अपना काफ़ी रिलीफ इन्होंने ले लिया। अभी इनको काफ़ी रिलीफ मिल गया। So so anybody can learn it. Anybody can learn it. Yes, sir. Anybody can learn it, and everybody can learn it.
खांसी खांसी आने वाले हैं एक घंटा
So it's a same old story, heel pain. So his problem was there's a little bit less sensation in index finger, and the other problem, of course, sensation may take some time to come because it may be a partial damage of a nerve. According to allopathy system and modern system, regeneration of nerve is not possible, but sometimes I don't find this is 100% correct. Sometimes nerve generation also takes place, or this sensation, this senselessness, or this numbness definitely goes. And another problem which he has a slightly pain in a Achilles tendon, back of the heel. So we can solve it right now. This is basically a tendon problem, or he was taking painkiller for the last 7 days. 7 days. Now his 50% problem has gone. ये सर प्लीज बताइए कितनी साल हुई है? And it's very difficult.
Yes, it is near about 50% my pain is gone.
No medicine. इसको हाँ सर, इसको जब तक ये जाएगा नहीं आप इसको 1-2 बार लगा सकते हैं. जब ये 100% चला जाए फिर आप इसको लगाना बंद कर सकते हैं. इसको एक बार सीड लगाने के बाद इसको 3 से 4 घंटे तक लगा के रखिए और 3 से 4 घंटे के बाद आप इसको उतार सकते हैं. 6 या 4-6 घंटे के बाद आप दोबारा उसी जगह पर सीड्स कोई भी सीड लगा सकते हैं. और मेथी का दाना अच्छा रहता है, इजीली अवेलेबल है, छोटा है, लग जाता है आराम से. तो आप इसको 2-3 बार लगाइए. अभी 50% सॉल्व हुआ है, हो सकता है अभी और थोड़ी देर बैठे बैठे और सॉल्व हो जाए. थोड़ा बहुत अगर बचता है तो कल फिर आप इसको लगा लीजिए. So we have done a lot of another practical case. Yes. He also has the same problem. So this also we can solve. Sir, आप जरा अपना शूज डालिए. Left में. He is a left problem in a left Achilles tendon. It's a tendon problem. It's not a heel problem. So we can do it. कितना पुराना है? चलने से दौड़ने से बढ़ जाता है और काफी दिन से पेन है. So he has also the same problem. Of course, you'll get all the reliefs. And the one important thing which I would love to discuss, a few psychological problem also, how to discuss and how to. हाँ जी सर, बताएं जरा 2 words.
मेरे पेन में मुझे 50% रिलीफ महसूस हुआ.
Yeah. Now we'll discuss something which has a psychological origins. Of course, diabetes is a different thing. Diabetes we can solve by pressing, just show that slide of hand. Yes. So there you find below stomach there is a spleen. जहाँ पर वो stomach लिखा है सबसे ऊपर, उसी के नीचे spleen होती है. So if we can press this spleen regularly, and liver and spleen are connected in Chinese system, and if we regularly press, this is the point. This is the left side. So here, this is the liver. This is the liver.
कहाँ चले गए? चाहे तो मुझे रिफ्रेश
अभी लोग सब लोग उठेंगे उनके मैच में से आएगा चाय वगैरह पकौड़ी सब. गर्दन नहीं आ रही है.
So it's a case of slip disc. C4, C5, there's a bulge, there's a herniation at C4, C5, and of course slip disc can be solved. He has taken his operation done. So, but still there is a problem even after the surgery. Acha, okay. After surgery, the problem has shifted to the left hand. Okay, this is the problem. So there is a problem. So again there is some pressure on the nerve. He should take a precaution, but I can solve, because if numbness is coming, then it may be a serious thing. So we can do certain things. अभी आपका लेफ्ट हैंड में दर्द है, so we'll try to solve it, because आपको पेन नहीं है, मुट्ठी बंद करने में दर्द है, पेन नहीं है पर इनसे फिस्ट नहीं होती है बंद. There are two reasons. ये जो मुट्ठी बंद नहीं हो रही है, there is some nerve compression. अभी हमने लगाया है, उससे थोड़ा सा इनका इंक्रीज हो गया, थोड़ा ज़्यादा इंक्रीज हो गया. कुछ इंक्रीज हुआ सर? हैं? हाँ, पूरी बंद नहीं हो रही, पर ये थोड़ा पहले से ज़्यादा बेटर हो रही है क्या? थोड़ा सा बेटर है. इट विल टेक सम टाइम. नर्व कंप्रेशन है, जनरली थोड़ा सा टाइम लेती है, 1-2 दिन तो लेगी. आप सर बैठ सकते हैं, अभी थोड़ी देर बैठ देखते हैं, थोड़ी देर में और हो जाएगा. तो अगर ये बंद नहीं होती है मुट्ठी, तो जनरली या तो नर्व कंप्रेशन होता है, या कहीं पर कई बार क्या होता है, सर्जरी के दौरान कई नर्व में भी कोई दिक्कत आ जाती है, लेकिन ये धीरे धीरे ठीक हो जाएगी, ठीक हो सकती है, बिल्कुल ठीक हो जाएगी. अभी लगाया है इनको, थोड़ी देर देखते हैं. सो वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द साइकोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स. The most common problems nowadays, blood pressure, anxiety, depression, and insomnia, नींद नहीं आती. How to solve those problems? The healing through hand techniques has a lot of softwares. Of course, one software was, I told you, pressing. Another instrument was putting the seeds. Another instruments we had the small magnets. Another thing is Reiki. Again, this is again healing through hand techniques. Reiki is a special Japanese technique about which we will discuss some other time, or if we got some time we'll discuss. But the most common problem is another blood pressure. It is so effective in blood pressure. Once you press and check it, check your blood pressure. With one pressing, we get at least 20 to 30 point down our blood pressure. We can reduce it up to 20 to 30 points. If it's 160, it will come up to 130. We can instantly check it. So, which are those points? Which are the points which control our heart and mind, which can prevent us from the heart attacks? And if there is emergency, and if suppose some heart attack kind of problem comes, you will get some time to reach to the doctor. Those precious golden moments in heart attack case. The first hour is very crucial in heart attack. So this technique can give you that golden hour to reach to the doctor. I would love again some volunteer on which I can show you the points of blood pressure and anxiety. Yes, sir. So this is very good technique. Even if you press, you will find that your mind is getting relaxed slowly and slowly. Of course, we have a lot of technique to calm our mind. We have a relaxation techniques, relaxation music, meditations, Reiki, relaxation meditations, sir. But here, because constraint of a time, we have short of time. So we'll explain the technique which is very effective and very easy to apply. Yeah. So if in any case somebody suffers any time, all of us sometimes face this anxiety problem, stage phobia, then palpitation comes, tuck, 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 tuck. Palpitation increase, heartbeat increase. During examination, everybody has, I think we all of us, हम लोगों ने सभी कभी ना कभी ये सब चीजें फेस की हैं. So what to do at that stage? At this point, I work as a L-Prex. In allopathy system, they give L-Prex. We press this point and immediately our heart gets relaxed. Any kind of anxiety. A beautiful point, wonderful point. Any kind of anxiety, anytime, you just do it. This is your. So, this is your wrist crease. Everybody has a wrist crease. Measure your two fingers from the wrist crease. Measure 2 fingers from the wrist crease. And it comes here. There is a tendon. There is a tendon, small tendon. You see? मोटी सी tendon दिख रही है ना? इसके बीच में you press it. You press it. And immediately you will find that your mind is getting relaxed. Yes, he is feeling relaxation. It's a very good point. मुझे स्टेज में आने में डर लगता था, मैं दबा लेता हूँ. It works. So I was nervous when I came here earlier to see all of you. So I pressed this button. It worked. So it will work in your case also. You see? Everybody, is it clear? Would you love to share your few words after pressing this point? How are you feeling after pressing this point? Relaxed. Oh, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Another important point. Another important point. Palpitation particularly. Of course, one point is Yeah, this is the point. It's shown here. Wonderful. This is good for nausea also. This point is good for nausea also. Nausea. Few people feel nausea when they travel in a bus or in a car. This point help. You press it, nausea will go. Sorry? What is nausea? Nausea means वो उल्टी आने की feeling. उल्टी नहीं आती है लेकिन उल्टी आने की feeling बनी रहती है.
Sensation of vomiting.
कई लोगों को बस में बैठने से, गाड़ी में बैठने से चक्कर से आते हैं और nausea feel होता है. सर्वाइकल के केस में भी nausea होता है लोगों को. कुछ प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन्स को मॉर्निंग सिकनेस या nausea फीलिंग होती है सुबह. That is, this is effective in that also. So कभी भी ये उल्टी की फीलिंग आती है, you try it. It work immediately. जब ऐसी जगह पे सिचुएशन में फंस जाते हैं जहां पर कोई डॉक्टर भी नहीं होता, केमिस्ट शॉप भी नहीं होती, तब भी आपके पास आपके पॉइंट होते हैं. दिस इज योर चलता फिरता केमिस्ट, आपके साथ हमेशा रहता है. Once I was at Vaishno Devi and I started feeling nausea because of some food, or there was no chemist at the time. It was night in the night, so I was feeling very uneasy. Then all of a sudden I remember this point. This point. I pressed it. I pressed it. 1 minute, maybe maximum 1 minute. And I could complete my yatra easily. Otherwise it would have been a very difficult time. So, जहाँ chemist नहीं होता, doctor नहीं होता, वहाँ आपका हाथ होता. And it's very effective. You try it anytime, and you love to remember me. I thought you were a wonderful. Yes. And this point. Is it clear? Two finger and anxiety goes. Any kind of anxiety. The another point.